prescribed fire season fast approaching on us. Again, the traditional burn season of this spring when everybody's trying to burn. One of the main things that we need to keep aware of and know what's going on is the weather. There are several really good sources of weather. Again, we can use radio and television for that information, but also the internet provides us with some really good information about weather that we can use for conducting prescribed fires. Again, the Joint OSU website of OK Fire is a tremendous asset for anybody conducting prescribed fires or working with fire in the state of Oklahoma. And there's some really good forecast model and information with that. But also, it's always good to get your information from more than one source, because a lot of times you will have one source having a forecasting the weather one way and another source forecasting it another. And so on those kind of days, you know, it's kind of up in the air on whether we're going to burn or not, but it's always good to have 2 to 3 good reliable sources that you can rely on. So again, OK Fire is a good primary source to go to. Follow up with going to the National Weather Service. There's many good attributes on the Weather Service sites. We can do that. And we can also click on Weather Underground. The Weather Channel has really good weather information, and we can localize that by just typing in your town and state or your zip code, and it'll give you a local spot weather forecast for those areas. So if you'd like to find any of these prescribed fire weather links that we've talked about, go to the SunUp website at sunup.okstate.edu. Go to the Oklahoma Prescribed Fire Council website, click on the fire weather link, and it will take you directly to each and every one of those fire weather links that I just mentioned to you that you can use. So again, when you're thinking about conducting prescribed burns, use weather sources from 2 or 3 different sources to get a good solid information about the weather for that day and also the days following your burn so that you'll have a safe and productive prescribed burn.